Here's that 550cc unit construction Royal Enfield Bullet that I've started working on. I had a little run on it in an earlier video to see how it went and check out what sort of condition everything was in and how it was all working before starting the work of stripping it down to do some work on the gearbox and also investigate some oil leaks. And I've got this far with it and I thought this would make a good video. In that some of the noise I heard, I actually commented on the video after riding it that I thought I could hear a bit of piston slap. Well, a bit was an understatement really. Let's see if the camera can pick this up. Actually sort of twist piston a little, but that's side to side, and we've also got, it's not so easy but I can rock it, that's fully forwards that way, tilted forwards. Now when I press on this, press on that, there's quite a lot of slop and slack in there. So I don't know what else I'm going to find when I take it further apart, but that's not really looking brilliant. A bit of piston slap is no problem, but the trouble is, with that piston able to rock like that, and I bet it's a fairly short skirted piston, once they start slamming around like that, the wear on them accelerates, and eventually if it's got a really short skirt like some of the modern pistons have, they try and flip over, and that's when things get smashed up inside the engine. So I'll know a bit more when I lift the cylinder barrel, but the whole engine's got to be taken apart anyway, so whatever may or may not be wrong can be looked at anyway. But that's certainly a hell of a lot of piston slap there.